Now, I just saw him about an hour ago walking on all four paws. And that was on the street and on the driveway, not just on the grass. And I didn't see him go up on three legs even one time. So today's March 3rd, Saturday evening. And I'm going to watch him when he goes off the, I had a suspicion that, it was this leg that he's got down, which there's no injury on it. That's the one he had a snake bite about 3 years ago. And he was limping around on that leg for about, a few months. I thought he wasn't going to use that leg I thought it was going to take longer than 3 months. Then all of a sudden, one day, he ran like a rabbit. He just took off, man. And he was fine. And, of course, he had the raccoon thing that happened to him couple months ago or so. And we gave him the Carbon C60 and he healed up really good. Now, I know the Carbon C60 people say that they don't say nothing about, you feeling old injuries. But I know from reading about high dosage vitamin D, you have to use that with K2. For every 1,000 international units of vitamin D, to be on the safe side, use 100 micrograms of K2, and also magnesium. It's preferably magnesium citrate form, which is more absorbable. But so people will take the high dosage of vitamin D. This is per the medical doctors. They'll feel like injuries that they might have had from years ago, because it's repairing itself. And I'm thinking, well, if the Carbon C60 is such a life-enhancing thing, maybe his old snake bite injury was repairing itself. There was no damage on the leg. Let's see what he does, man. See? He's not up on... I didn't see him up on three legs before. See that? He's not walking 110% perfect, but just a few days ago, he was up on three legs. See that? I saw him walking on the pavement and everything else before, just an hour ago. I didn't see him once on three legs. See that? So, maybe my theory's right. Although nobody ever said that in the Carbon C60 world, but they have said that. And where the hell's he going? There he is. They have said that with vitamin D. There he goes. All right, boo-boo.